night the meteor crashed, our lives changed forever. That night, we became the heroes of Goo Jitsu. Our bodies transformed. And now, we have these amazing, stretchy, squishy, gooey powers. We use our Goo Jitsu fighting skills to protect the world from evil forces. This is our destiny.
Come on, give it over! Come out from the shadows and face me! Anybody see him? Oh, not again! It'll grow back.
Foul ball! Literally. Free throw to Pantaro!
I caught that! When will these fools learn?
Probably never.
Goo Jitsu power! Wilders, attack!
Puncture these punks!
Lava Slam! Cryo Freeze! Tsunami Flex!
These loser losers are really putting up a fight. Hey, Pantaro. Let me get this. I've been itching for some one-on-one action all day. Lava Slam!
That all you got, puny gecko? Boom! Crash! Silverback! Hey, dum-dum! We got what we came for!
What do you reckon they came for?
Who could tell? That Fang balloon is completely off his crocker. Right, Pantaro? Where's Pantaro?
I haven't seen him since you went barrel to barrel with Wonky Kong.
Those rancid gunk weasels! What are we gonna do, Blazagon? Blazagon?
I can tell you this much. Whatever it is, Rockjaw is really not going to like it.
Speak of the snaggletooth devil! Look!
Puny, smelly pants mammal citizens of this dumb city. What is it you call it again? Loserberg? Doesn't matter, because now it's Los Rockjawless! This city and everything in it are mine now. I am the Alpha. Kneel and live. Stand and fall. Hard. Like, really hard. It's gonna hurt. Like, a lot. Oh! And if any of you think your little blunder pet guardians are gonna save you, they aren't! Because I took out a freezy insurance policy. You hear me, Bozogon? Lift one squishy red claw against me, and your frosty bestie here gets a one-way ticket to the great litter box in the sky. Consider this a warning.
Tigor, give me the schematics for City Hall.
Wait, gang! There's something you should see.
I'm big and stupid, and I'm gonna take over the world with a snap. I don't feel so good.
Sorry.
Are you celebrating? Cute. It won't last long.
I should burn your bacon right now for all my wilder goons you've left popsicled in the last few weeks.
I have less than no idea what you're talking about. I don't speak, moron.
Yeah, right. We all caught sight of your blue goo in the shadows. And who else could leave a trail of frozen wilders?
I'm big and stupid, and I'm gonna take over the world with a snap. I don't feel so good. I'm big and stupid, and I'm gonna take over the...
You, dum-dum, quit looking at the pretty colors and shut down the network, eh?
Call me dumb one more time.
Blazagon, think carefully. We may not be able to save both the city and Pantaro.
He'd want us to try. What we do today, we do for our brother. The sun will set on a free city.
Wilders!
Tsunami
Flash burn! Sand force!
radioactive stand!
Sand strike! Did you think I was bluffing? I told you what would happen!
Looking for this?
Say goodbye to your little friend! Ice hammer!
Oh, snap! So it wasn't Pantaro after all!
You're Yeti. The legends are true. So you're the one making wildersicles.
I wasn't really gonna hurt him. Wilders! Destroy them!
My happy place.
Ditto!
There you are, you dummy dum-dum! Bone crash these fools!
That's it! Heck, I've got an IQ of 160. Why am I taking orders from the Tooth Fairy?
Ugh.
We do this together, and we do not stop! and to old friends.
Between a living legend and the king of the jungle, I'm sending this to Sahario right now.
I will escape, and I will annihilate you, heroes of Goo Jitsu. Ah!